Valentine's Day plans aside, this is the one date you should never cancel. Hi, I'm Priyanka and you're watching me on BeBeautiful. Now I know you might already have your plans set for Valentine's Day, but pampering yourself, that's non-negotiable. And mine starts right here at home with my everything shower. If self-love had a ritual, this would be it. I always start with my hair because that's my cue to slow down. In fact, my hair has been drier than usual lately. Yes, drier than your situationship's replies as well. And for times like these, I always reach out to my trusted Dove shampoo and hair conditioner duo. I use the Dove Intense Repair shampoo that lathers beautifully to cleanse the scalp and any buildup. Use it regularly to reverse hair damage, and you never know, it might also fix some of your emotional damage. Now it's time for the Dove Intense Repair Conditioner. It's thick, creamy, and I'm generous with the amount. I apply it only on the length of my hair and let it stay for about 5 to 7 minutes. While my conditioner stays on, I'm gonna wash my face with my cleanser from Simple. The texture is perfect for my dry but acne-prone skin. This is also a reminder. You don't need complicated steps, just products that actually understand you, like how a perfect partner should. Now, let me wash off this mask and meet you outside for the skincare. For skincare, I'm going to begin with locking in all that goodness from my post-shower with my current go-to. It's Vaseline's Gluta-Hya Dewy Radiance Body Lotion. The gel-like consistency is light but doesn't compromise on the intense hydration and glow it gives. Pro tip, always apply your moisturizer on damp skin. That's how you really lock in that hydration and glow. For skin, I'm going to begin with my Pond's 12% Gluta-Niacinamide Anti-Pigmentation Serum. It has really helped to strengthen my skin's barrier while evening out any dark spots. Because protection is important for the heart, but also for skin. Next, adding in my go-to moisturizer from Simple. It's lightweight, hydrating, and soaks into my skin seamlessly. And finishing off my basics with SPF. This one's from Pond's and I love that it has SPF 50 and protects from UVA and UVB rays. Think of these rays like that toxic X that you want to avoid and protect yourself from. And on days when my energy might feel low, I've started adding something that internally recharges me. It's this Liquid IV sachet. I simply mix it in water and sip on it. So whether you're getting ready for a girls' night or a special date night, this is going to keep you feeling energized. It gives my body the internal hydration that it needs with all the electrolytes. Because glowing from outside always starts with feeling good on the inside. And that's a wrap on my routine. Sometimes I shave or add in a few extra layers of skincare, but this one hits all the right spots. Your everything shower can look a little different, but as long as it's making you feel good, you're doing it right. So this Valentine's, don't forget to show yourself some extra love. Let me know in the comments if there's something that you would add to this routine. And for more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to BeBeautiful, and I'll see you next time.